What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot, but overall the entire crypto market is crashing. Bitcoin is down 3.5%, now sitting at $98,000. Ethereum down to $3,000. Everything is absolutely plummeting, and even Polkadot is down to $5.65. Now the reason everything is crashing is because of DeepSeek, which is a new Chinese AI startup, and it's essentially causing a huge scare in the USA that it might slow down the growth in demand for Nvidia chips. So they've released this new AI called DeepSeek. It's overtaken ChatGPT in the App Store. It's been absolutely exploding. It's a brand new startup compared to OpenAI, obviously being now a billion, multi-billion, maybe even trillion-dollar company. So yeah, causing a lot of scare in the market. Lots of stuff going on, regarding that, which is then powering back into the S&P, powering back into Bitcoin and the entire crypto market. So that's essentially the scare that we have, and the main reason why everything's dumping. Again, a large move was expected. As we talked about in the previous videos, volume slowed down so much over the past few days that a large move either up or down was expected. It was down because of DeepSeek. If we got some bullish news, it might have been up, but yeah, overall we're down. I think it's going to be a good dip, a buying opportunity regardless. And as you can see here on Polkadot, we have got a support level right here at $5.40, 36 to like where we're at right now. So it's not that bad of a time to start accumulating again if you haven't been doing so, or if you're not in any positions. We still may dip lower, but this is definitely a good starting point to start dollar cost averaging in at. Other coins, if we take a look at like Sui, for example, this has now plummeted quite a bit. Can dollar cost average in here and then again here. Hopefully it stays above here, and manages to keep on going and holding on strength. But yeah, a lot of coins have now been dumping off, which is slightly unexpected. Bitcoin dominance, if we go on the weekly here, actually started pumping overnight, which then caused it to actually close above. So yeah, we're not going to get an alt season just yet. Everything's pumping, and if you remember in the past videos we talked about Bitcoin dominance having to close below here and to initially start a downtrend. We haven't done so. It looks like we're breaking through, going to create a new high, which is not good. If we create a new high, that means that we're still in an uptrend, which we clearly are on the daily. So yeah, not good for altcoins, and not good if Bitcoin keeps on dumping. It is currently at the support level, which it needs to hold. Yeah, I mean, the market is looking quite strange right now, quite in a tough position. We have started wicking slightly, so some buyers are clearly coming in. The US is not awake yet. It's still night for US, so when the US wakes up and the stock market opens, I think hopefully we should get some buy orders, even though the DeepSeek news has come out. So yeah, back to Polkadot. We're going to be looking for entries here on lower time frame. We're going to be looking for a long entry. But again, our lower time frame long entries are usually performed on the lower time frame with the higher time frame narrative, so we don't get randomly stopped out by setting a limit order here because this is the daily support. Instead what we do is, like here for example, we're clearly crashing down. We would set a short entry here because this is an order block, and then set our entries, set our take profits, and then try and enter like this. That's usually the best way to do it. We want to look for a few longs because I think the market is still a bit bullish. We're at support level. I don't really want to look for too many shorts. So yeah, that's just my outlook. Now overall targets from entries from here for example to even $5, $4.30, we can enter absolutely anywhere here, so it's actually not too bad. This is actually a short position. But if I go on to the long position here, again on spot, we don't want to have a stop loss. We just want a dollar cost average in at every specific entry, and then take profits. Like if we just target the highs that we had in December and November, then that's easily 130% profit right there. If we want to go slightly higher, then we're already looking at 200% profit, which is a 3x at $15.86. 4x nearly here at $23. So lots of potential here on Polkadot. Even the staking rewards are really good. So if you're able to dollar cost average in, stake it up, hold, wait until it pumps up, unstake, and then sell off, you'll see some pretty good returns. Again, we really need to keep an eye out for Bitcoin dominance and Ethereum and Bitcoin. When Bitcoin is usually seeing a crash or a pump, Bitcoin dominance is going up because it shows more money is flowing into Bitcoin rather than altcoins. Hence for altcoins seeing this huge dump, as after any sort of crash, Bitcoin is always the first coin to see a reversal. It doesn't matter how big the crash is, how small the crash is, Bitcoin always sees the first reversal, and then it lags into Ethereum and then other altcoins. Now ETH is actually in a slightly better, I'd say a similar position to Bitcoin, to be honest. Bitcoin is obviously on a major support level here. Ethereum is also approaching a major support level. We have one support right here, which it's currently on, and we have the 0.5 and 0.32 Fibonacci level right here, which it's previously bounced off. Or the zone. So yeah, we're at quite a good level on ETH as well. Maybe another, what is this, like another 5% crash down to fully fill. Yeah, 5.6% crash to fully fill. Could look for another entry there on ETH. Overall, it's providing us a lot of great entries, and we're not in the worst case scenario, you know, like for Solana we were down to 184 in January. Now we're at 226, although other altcoins are down significantly more. So yeah, it's not the best, but again, that's investing and trading in crypto. It's gonna be very, very volatile, and you just sort of have to stick through pain. Now in the Discord, I'm going to be sending in all of the trades that I'm entering personally on this dip, all of the spot entries, and you know, all my futures entries essentially. So if you want to be getting those, then check out the Discord down below. It will be the first link in the description, where it says get all my trades. So yeah, check it out. It's like $20 a week. And you won't miss out on any of my trades. Now overall, the coins I'm going to be keeping an eye out for, again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, major ones, Solana, Polkadot, AVAX as well, currently dumping down. We were looking for some entries, we didn't get any yet, so now we're going to look for some other entries, maybe at $30. Again, Polkadot, Fetch AI, currently at quite a good level to dollar cost average in at. Other coins, Render, Polygon, I think we're getting an even bigger crash now. Yeah, Polygon, Sui, XRP, and HBAR as well. Our HBAR trade did just hit its stop loss right here actually overnight. We closed for roughly a 16% profit with the stop loss. You know, we had our first take profit here, second take profit here, third take profit here. Actually, sorry, at this wick high, so for 48%, we had 20x leverage. That was nearly 1000% profit, and then our stop loss hit right here for roughly 300% profit. So yeah, not too bad at all. And yeah, that's what we're going to be keeping an eye out for this week. Again, Polkadot looking for entries somewhere around here. Potentially might dip back down into this green box where there's more good entries. So yeah, everything is looking quite okay. Slightly scary with all the DeepSeek and AI stuff, but I think you know, that should breeze over by Thursday quite easily. So yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to be getting trades sent to you every single day, check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency for the lowest fees with the best sign-up rewards, and check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. Also, thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe as it helps out a ton. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.